Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. And has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.23 ratio, cruise control, electronic engine, Vortec 4.3 LMFI and the emissions: Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.